Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to learn how to remove background from an image. If you look at this picture, it has a background. So without any complex software or any photoshopping skills, we are going to use a platform called TinyWow to remove the background. Click on the image background remover on the TinyWow platform. You locate the picture that you want to remove the background. The picture is located in my downloads and I will scroll all the way down to look for it and then upload that picture. Give it some time to upload, and after it finish uploading, you'll be able to see a place where you will remove. Make sure you click on the transparent background by your left hand side and then click on remove, and to allow you to ask you to click on this capture, fill it, and then boom, you have a photo that is having a transparent background. You can either save it to your Google Drive or you save it to your PC. For this purpose, I'm going to save it to our computer so that we can immediately open it and see. So now click on the file that you received from TinyWow and you will see that you have a clean photo that has no background. If this is a video that you enjoy, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to be notified when I release more videos.